It seems to me that not many people know that the computer today, especially the smartphone, has capability of more than 100 million times better performance compared to the early age computers. So you have some super kind of computer on your hand every day, but not many people seems to know it. So I'd like to show it. So for the convenient interface, I hooked up this with the keyboard here, and I can control this using my keyboard like this, and probably I can mirror it to my computer to record. Okay, now you understand the situation here, and come back to here. Probably I can show if you like to use seriously the computing power of the smartphones, probably you can use this Maxima on Android. You can download it from, install it from Google Play Store. Okay, so it provides many good functionality, but the most advantage of it is you can do some symbolic manipulation on mathematics. So you can factorize, or you can expand, or you can differentiate, you can differentiate and integrate as a symbol. So let me show that if I define something like expression 1 as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3, right? So you can simply expand this using expand the command of the Maxima. So probably now you can use the expand command and expr1. Okay, if you type that one, you can see that this one is symbolically expanded to x raised by 3 plus 6 multiplied by x raised by 2 plus 11 multiplied by x plus 6. Okay, so with this, probably you can assign to expand to certain expression like the expression 2, right? So expression 2 is a result of expanded polynomial. So in the reverse way, you can factorize this express 2 using factor, right? Factor here, you can express 2 and enter, and you will be able to factorize it using symbolic manipulation. This is just one feature of symbolic manipulation you can experience in by using Maxima. And there are a whole lot more. So there are a bunch of manual things here. There are a whole lot of things you can study. But yeah, it takes some time for you to understand the real power of Maxima. One good thing is that using plotting, right? So plotting is a good way you can experience the computing power of Maxima. So if you go to plotting, introduction to plotting here, we'll be able to see many computing methods. Okay, you can draw many things like this. let me just try to draw something complicated enough. Alright, so maybe you can try to draw something like this. I can just click on the command and then maybe I can try to draw this. So this function here, yeah, let's try. Okay. You can see that it draws this graph from the command line. So the one good thing about using Maxima is you can customize the program. You go here, okay, not here. Menu, yes. So if you go to the top, you see that there are many things you can use, and you can even make your own program and make a script. And here, okay, load script. So you can even make your own script file using Maxima, and you can run locally on the your smartphone. This will complete your engineering skill and work pretty well.